Hello and welcome to another Eagle 6 video. Just had a little bit of a delivery. Lots of TM guns. Just thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing. I don't think we've done something like that before. Because I'm curious myself. Let's see what we got. Oh, exciting. It's hard not to get excited. What we got in this box? Oh, HK416 Deltas. Awesome looking gun. That's the Tokyo Marui HK416 Delta next generation. That appears to be 4 of those. Is it? No. Actually, let me have a look. Ah, Scar L CQC. Tokyo Marui Scar L CQC next generation recoil shot. CQBR. Tokyo Marui CQBR tan version or FDE. The classic, 9 years old now I think, since this first came out. Tokyo Marui Sock Mod M4. I believe it's been that long. Still a classic. Right, it's box one. I think it's about half of them, so we've still got some in transit. There's quite a few been ordered. Oh, MP7 Gas Blowback machine gun. So always popular these are. That bad boy. The MP7 that backs itself up with performance as well. Yeah, there's nothing but fun shooting these things. And they're accurate as well, actually. Oh, tan version of the gas blowback. The presentation on Marui is always awesome. Another black gas one. MP7. Tan MP7. Alright, we doubled down on MP7, eh? Another MP7. And another one. And another one. And another one. Sparrow white. MK23 SOCOM. The sniper's pistol, eh? It's come in a presentation box set, these do. So you get the case. You get the silencer as well. And the lamp unit, which is working. And another one. Right, so box done. Box 2. We have not had these in yet. MTR16 Gas Blowback machine gun. Including blue ribbon, eh? Ah, that is nice. That is nice. First time I've seen this. I'm a big fan of the MWS, even if it's not like an all-time all-rounder for me. I've obviously not got the everyday use of the next gen. Oh, that is light as well. Jesus, that is light. That is feather light. Interesting. Oh, it's got a pad underneath, that's why. Silver bolt inside. I'd never noticed this before, but there's obviously that silver outer barrel in there, and it's fluted as well. Going down, that's an interesting touch. Marui doing a fluted barrel, eh? This stock is tiny. Then we can see all this on there. I don't know if I'm doing it all on camera. So you can see the fluted barrel in there. The selector switches are nice, aren't they? That's it's almost like Magball PTS style, isn't it? So no, like BAD, like the Battle Arms Defense. Is that the right one? I don't know. BAD, yeah, something like that, isn't it? This is, yeah, very modern, isn't it? I think even this bit here is removable for like a sort of shorter stock. QD points. And a little QD point down here as well. Flat trigger. I love the feeling of the flat triggers, they are good. That rail is nice. yeah, it's long, right? But because it's so light, it just feels like you can do anything with it. It's nice. Yes, very nice. Like that. Like that a lot. And they're quite small mags. The MWS mags do fit in this, so as do the Type 89. So a very straight grip on it as well. So light. That is nice. Pro old MWS, not going to get many sales now, is it? Put it back in the box. A selection of M-Lock rails in the box. Another one. Another one. Another one. 20. Right. That was nice. I did like that. Did not think I'd be a fan of that long rail. DEVGRU. There you go. It's your SEAL Team 6 gun. Obviously it comes with a silencer, the screw-on AAC type, and foregrip. Yeah, next generation recoil. A little bit more expensive than the others, but obviously you get that extra silencer, which is not really a very common one you can find, to be honest. So sort of worth the extra little bit for it. Otherwise, standard HK416 internals. Worth mentioning, you do get that CQD mount at the back there. Love it. I get to play with guns all day. Yeah. Another DEVGRU. DEVGRU. Get out. Another DEVGRU. Righty, last box. HK416D, still popular. It's not like everyone just instantly goes straight for the DEVGRU every time. You know, these still sell just as well. Again, awesome presentation from Marui. Got your QC adapter over here. So for the proprietary batteries, but we thoroughly recommend the Dean's mod just to convert the stock. yeah. Obviously you've got to go with the D if you want this sort of classic HK416 stock here, which is pretty much iconic, isn't it? Obviously the HK416 grip, you don't get any of them on the DEVGRU, the standard rail, and you do obviously get the 4-inch extension on the front here as well, so which is removable. So just classic HK416D. So I imagine there's a whole box of them. Ooh. It's another one. Cool. Right, well, yeah, I mean, if you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know in the comments below, whether you're on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube watching this. If you didn't like it, still let me know. And if it's any good, you know, obviously being our first one, then I'll do another one next time we get a unboxing of, you know, guns in. So they're not always this big on deliveries, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. I just got quite lucky with them all sort of coming at the same time this time. So, but cool, right, well, let me know what you think. Thank you all.